king's time as ruler rises and falls like the sun. One day, Simba, the sun will set on my time here and will rise with you as the new king.
He's the future king. Yeah. So you have to do what I tell you.
To be a king, you need a kingdom, of course. And in Africa, a lion's kingdom consists of grassy plains and open woodlands called savannas.
I'm gonna be the main event, like a king was before.
Just like Simba and his family, lions live in groups called prides, and there can be as many as 35 lions in one pride. Each pride has a leader, like Mufasa. This ruler patrols the pride's territory and chases off any unwanted visitors.
Just can't wait to be king.
How? By a show of brute strength and an awesome roar that can be heard for 5 miles.
That was it? Do it again.
So, what's a typical meal for a grown-up lion? How about 15 pounds of meat?
I'm so hungry I could eat a whole zebra.
Yes, it takes plenty of prey to feed every lion in a pride. But like Simba's mother Sarabi and Simba's pal Nala, it's the female lions that bring home the bacon. Again, when the work is done, lions can be found, well, lying around. Some lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting and taking cat naps. Now, even though each pride has a leader, the ruling male can sometimes feel threatened by a younger male in the group.
Run away and never return.
It's a constant battle to stay on top, so the ruler often drives young lions out of the pride. But, like Simba returning to Pride Rock to fight Scar, young lions sometimes return when fully grown to try and take over. Growing up for a young male lion also includes growing a mane. They're the only big cats that have them.
Mom, you're messing up my mane.
A thick, bushy mane makes a male lion look big and strong. Just one more reason the lion is called the king of beasts.